Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to crop in Adobe Acrobat 2024. So firstly, go to this Adobe Acrobat. Now choose a file you want to crop. I want to crop this PDF. Okay, now what you're gonna do is you have to click on these tools. Then you'll find this Edit PDF, this option. Click on Open, and then you'll find here Crop Pages. This one. Just click on this Crop Pages, and then you have to select the area you want to crop. Like I want to crop this, you have to double click on this and then click on OK. You can see it has been cropped. Now I'm showing you again. Just select the page or select the portion you want to crop. Now you have to double click on that box and click on OK. Your page will be cropped like this. Okay guys, so this is how you can crop pages in Adobe Acrobat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.